Hi, this video is about the building block gallery content control. This is one of my favorite functions because it allows you to take a piece of information or a group of items and place it in a specific location without having to sift through perhaps hundreds of different fields or different pieces of information that could be utilized. So in order to work with this, you would go to the Developer tab, then place your cursor over the Building Block Gallery Content Control located in the Controls area. So we simply click on that. And when you click on it and you arrow down, don't be alarmed if you don't see anything in here or you only see a couple of quick part items. Because when you just use your down arrow, you are only accessing the quick parts. In order to enhance this functionality and allow it to be more customized to your specific needs, you'll need to go into the Properties button. So when we go there, you can add a title if you choose to, certainly not necessary. You don't have to add formatting because whatever formatting that has been assigned will carry over. You can also assign this so your content controls cannot be deleted, so the quick parts option here will not be able to be deleted. So that is important to some people if you want that to always be available and not have the option to delete it. And then from here you have an option of auto text entries, equations, quick parts, tables, or anything else that you may have personally added. So for now, what we are going to start with is the auto text. And from the auto text, we are going to choose O1 auto text. These are some auto text entries that I have pre-created, and I place them within the auto text, the O1 auto text category. So now I will select OK. Now that that is there, you still have the option to type in if you choose to, but you have a further option to go in, and under the O1 auto text, these are the functions that we have put in here. We have put in auto text, document properties, and fields. Now, yes, these are only one line of information with a heading 3 assignment attached to it, but it could be paragraphs, it could be a page, it could be charts or graphs, it could be any number of things that you want to have the ability to reuse and modify. So in this particular case, we will just select document properties from the list. Now we have document properties here, and yes, we have inserted it, but you still have the option to modify it if you choose to. So if you wanted to call it document properties 1, 2, 3, you see that it can be modified. You can also go in and override the information if you choose to. So there are some definite benefits to this. You can also, if we wanted to create another auto text entry, well, let me go over here. And one thing you need to make sure that you do is hit your right arrow at the end of this, otherwise you will just continue your field. So as you see, we have this border around it. It means we are still within that field. We may not necessarily want to do that. If we want to get out of the field, we right arrow and then enter, and then we are no longer in the field. The field is contained to just that one line. At this point, we can insert additional quick parts if we choose to. We can also choose to go to properties again and choose different options. In this case, we will choose tables. There are some predefined tables that are already here, and we can use those. So we'll put that in there, and we will just choose all categories and choose OK. Now when we use our drop-down menu, you'll see that these are our built-in options, and we do not have any custom options at this time. So for example, if we chose to use a matrix, we simply click on that, and it gives us our starting point for our matrix, but we're still able to go in, delete information, and type in it numbers, letters, whatever we want to do, and it gives us full functionality to do whatever it is that we need to do as if it were any other kind of table. So this is a definite benefit and something that I enjoy using. So that is an overview of the building block gallery with content controls and how it can be used. Thank you.